Crochet stitches 101. First we make a slip stitch. Insert hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Pull this loop through the loop on the hook. Now single crochet. Insert hook into stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both of the loops. For a half double crochet, yarn over and insert into stitch. Pull up a loop, you now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops on the hook. Next is the double crochet. Yarn over once and insert hook into stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull it through 2 of the loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. For the triple crochet, yarn over twice, then enter the stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. You will have 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. Like and subscribe.